Alright, so next I'm going to show you how to do your, let's see, where are we here? Your link to your CID, your city link, your local biz links. So it's kind of going to be all in one video. So yeah, let's just do that right now. So if you're in here, again, this is in the website, don't click publish, you're just going to save it. So like I can save that and it'll be in there, but it's not published yet. We don't want to hit that. I don't want you to ever touch that. Could cue a suspension. So you just come back in and we're going to, let's see here. We're going to work, we'll first work on the city. So you can see right here, Victoria, BC. Okay, it's a really good spot just because it's in the middle. You don't want to use the bold text. You want to use the text that's underneath the bold. So for example, if you click Victoria, BC, you come down here. You're going to click this link, but first, I'm just going to Google Victoria, BC. Okay, because that's the city we're in. So let's click that, and this is a good link. We'll just use the Wikipedia link, and we'll come back. Then we get that highlighted. You're going to click the link, and you're going to put that in there. You're going to paste it, and now that's a city link. Okay, that just helps give us geo-relevance. Okay, and then we're going to next move on to the map CID. So many towing companies, I don't want to use that one. Let's look for professional towing service. Let's go and find our CID. So remember, you go back into your GMB King, go into details, and make sure we're in the right one. Okay. Also, too, sometimes when you make changes, we're having some glitches with the program that if you'll make a change, so let's say I come in here and upload some pictures and I save them, and it refreshes the screen. Sometimes it refreshes and puts you in a different lead gen, so make sure that you're in the right one. And again, you can always just go back, click your GMB manager, GMB locations, and get back into the one you want to go to. Okay, so we are coming and looking for the map CID. Okay, actually, let's do this in this window because I don't have this installed. There we go. Let me log in. Okay, GMB locations, come down to John's Towing Service, and then open this up. And then again, this is called Gather Up. You just download that extension from the Chrome store or Firefox. It's called Gather Up. You click this when you're on this section, and then you copy this link here, the URL. And we're going to go back into our GMB page where we're building our website. And now we have this copied. We just drop a link. Again, you just highlight a keyword, drop a link to that section. And then the next we're going to do is so we have the link to CID. We did that. We have the GMB website built. The city link, we have that. Local biz links. Okay, so with towing, you can add some different mechanic shops. So if you want to link to some mechanics, so we have mechanics in Victoria, so let's just link to one of our mechanics. Okay, so again, we're going to highlight this, and we're going to drop a link. So we're going to go to Mobile Mechanic Victoria. Okay, I think that's the right one here. Let's see. Okay, copy that link, and then we're going to paste it. Oh, let's make sure I did that right. That looks good. Okay, so that would be not all of the cities that we work in. We're going to have mechanic sites too. So I'll have to update you on those. But it's fine to use other links. We can use, let's say, or auto parts stores would be a good one because it's niche relevant. So let's see, Lordco. Let's visit their website. Make sure that it's, I'm pretty sure Lordco is only Victoria. So yeah, if you contact us, let's see where they are. Locations. Okay, they're all BC, which is okay. So let's just go back. Click Lordco, copy. And okay, Lordco. Okay, and then you can just do it. Link, they don't have to always be keywords as links. And then, so we want to look for different, again, you can find other auto parts. We want to have 2 to 3 links to geo-relevant businesses in your page. And again, we're just going to save that. So now we would go back to our checklist. And that right there would be clicking it off. And then, let's see what else I'm trying to think in this section I can give you. I don't have anything else for you to take in this. So I'll add this to video link to the, where were we? The city link, link to CID and local business links. That's going to be all the same link, which would be to this video. See you in the next video.